Hey everybody, welcome back to the 25 Days of Christmas. Today I'm bringing you a super cute DIY stocking garland. Stay tuned! Okay everybody, this is one of these super easy wooden Christmas stocking garlands. This is a DIY that you are going to want to do, and you're going to start with some of these beads that I picked up actually on clearance at Michael's, and I'm using Waverly's Crimson chalk paint to paint them red. And then we're going to also take some of these little stockings that I picked up in a pack of 7 at Michael's as well. Guys, this was part of my Michael's versus Dollar Tree haul, and I really found that these were the best deal for my dollar, especially with my Michael's coupon. So keep an eye out for those by the checkout registers when you head into your Michael's. Now I'm just taking some of this Waverly Crimson chalk paint, and I'm just going to paint the bottoms of these stockings in this color, and I am going to paint both sides just in case these get turned around while they're hanging as my garland. Okay guys, now I'm going to go ahead and hit these with some of this Waverly white chalk paint. I am going to paint the part of the stockings that is at the top where the holes are. Now, if you don't want to go into the next step of this DIY, that's where you would just, you would just paint these really well at the top to give these a white top at the stocking. And then I'm also hitting these so that I can distress this side of the garland. I really like this look on this, and I am just really enjoying it. If you get it too heavy, you can go back with a little bit of red to cover that. Now I'm using scraps of this Dollar Tree car cloth, and I want you to pay special attention to how the hot glue is going down. I want to make sure that I do a circle around the holes of this garland stocking top. That is going to help me when I'm going to string this to find out where those holes are, because we are taking these scraps of the car cloth and we're covering the tops of these stockings to give them that fabric, snowy look and feel on these. And I just think it really takes the whole DIY up a notch. You want to make sure that you get all of your edges done and press that down really well and trim away any of the excess to give that stocking some definition. So guys, this is how mine look, and I really love how these turned out, but if you wanted these to just be a solid red, you could turn this over and have your stockings go the other way, or not do the distressing on it at all. That card cloth does shed a little bit, so just pay special attention to that. But these are really, really cute, and for 79 cents, I just can't even believe it. Now I'm taking this jelly roll in a 10 size, that's the point size, and I'm just going to add just a tiny little bit of stitching detail to these stockings. I wanted to give it one more little bit of definition, and I really think it helps make these stockings just look super, super cute. What do you think? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the detail on that stitching. So now I'm just taking some red and white baker's twine that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I've taken a little bit of painter's tape and I've made myself a point so that I could use this as though it were a needle. Now this would be a lot easier with a needle, guys, just so you know that, because you are going through fabric through those holes, and that's why that circle of hot glue comes into place, because guys, that really helped me to find where the holes were that I covered with the fabric. So I'm just bringing in some pearls and some ribbon that I picked up at Walmart, I believe it was, and I'm cutting that down and then cutting it in half just to give myself a little bit extra fabric on this little garland. And guys, I mean, it's just a matter of creating a pattern. So I have a red bead, and then I'm going to put down some fabric, and then I have the pearl in the center and some fabric, and then a red bead, and then I've got another stocking. And guys, this is a condensed version of how this looks. This is actually going to go on my staircase for Christmas this year, and it's super, super cute. It's part of my 25 days of Christmas here in Rowe Country, and I really hope that you're enjoying this series. Guys, this is a super easy wooden Christmas stocking garland DIY that you will want to do. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already, and while you're here, go ahead and watch another video. I'll see you in my next one. Thanks so much, guys. Bye!